The case study at Nielsen explains how the company successfully utilized predictive modeling to retain key talent within their organization. The initiative involved the development of a predictive model, which evolved over time as more variables were included, leading to valuable insights and increased retention rates. Key aspects of Nielsen's predictive model. Initial model. Nielsen's initial predictive model included 20 variables, such as age, gender, tenure, and manager rating. These variables were selected based on their potential relevance to predicting employee flight risk. Continuous improvement. Over time, Nielsen continued to refine and expand the predictive model by incorporating additional variables. This iterative approach allowed the company to enhance the model's accuracy and effectiveness in identifying employees at risk of leaving. Insights from the predictive model. Nielsen's efforts in predictive modeling led to several critical insights. First-year retention. The analysis revealed that the first year of an employee's tenure was particularly crucial in determining their likelihood of staying with the company. The company implemented measures to ensure that first-year employees had essential contact points, such as check-ins with their managers within a specific timeframe after hiring. Failing to meet these critical contact points triggered notifications, emphasizing their importance for first-year retention. Promotions and lateral moves. The model highlighted the positive impact of promotions and lateral moves on employee retention. While promotions encouraged employees to stay, lateral moves within the organization were also found to be strong motivators for employee retention. Lateral moves as a retention strategy. One significant outcome of Nielsen's predictive model implementation was the identification of employees with the highest flight risk in the next 6 months. The company proactively approached these individuals and facilitated lateral moves for 40% of them. This strategic approach had a substantial impact on employee retention, increasing the chance of an associate staying with the company by 48%. Key takeaways. The Nielsen case study underscores several important takeaways. Continuous improvement. Predictive models should be continuously refined and expanded to capture more variables and improve accuracy. First-year focus. Paying close attention to the first-year experience of employees is crucial for retention. Ensuring critical contact points during this period can significantly impact retention rates, promotions, and lateral moves, providing opportunities for employees to advance within the organization, whether through promotions or lateral moves, can be effective in retaining talent. Proactive approach. Identifying employees at high flight risk and proactively offering them alternative roles within the company can substantially increase retention rates. In summary, Nielsen's use of predictive modeling not only provided valuable insights into employee retention factors, but also enabled the company to take proactive steps to retain key talent, ultimately contributing to the organization's success.